From the crashing waves of a hurricane to the delicate dance of snowflakes, weather shapes our planet in ways both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Weather, it's unpredictable, powerful, and sometimes downright bizarre. From skies that rain fish to clouds weighing millions of pounds, today we're counting down 10 fascinating facts about the weather that'll make you look at the sky in a whole new way. Let's jump right in. Now, you may think I'm about to delve into the realm of folklore, but I can assure you this is no fishtail. Animal rain, as it's scientifically known, is a documented phenomenon as peculiar as it may sound. This bizarre meteorological event occurs when powerful updrafts, often associated with thunderstorms or waterspouts, lift bodies of water, along with their unsuspecting aquatic inhabitants, high into the atmosphere. These airborne creatures are then carried by the wind, sometimes for considerable distances, before being deposited back on Earth, much to the astonishment of those below. Reports of fish rain have surfaced from various corners of the globe, each tale more peculiar than the last. Lightning. A spectacle of raw power illuminates the sky with its jagged brilliance, a stark reminder of nature's awe-inspiring forces. A single bolt of lightning can reach a staggering 30,000 Kelvin, a figure that makes even the surface of our sun seem tepid in comparison. To put this into perspective, that's roughly 5 times hotter than the surface of our very own star. This intense heat is generated by the massive electrical current coursing through the lightning bolt, creating a plasma, a superheated state of matter. So the next time you find yourself seeking shelter from a thunderstorm, remember this. You're witnessing a force of nature that can generate temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. Journey with me now to the southernmost reaches of our planet, to the frozen continent of Antarctica, a land of icy desolation, where the environment is as harsh as it is beautiful. Here, amidst the glaciers and snowdrifts, lies a sight that seems ripped from the pages of a Gothic novel. Blood falls, a crimson cascade that stains the pristine white landscape with an unsettling hue. The source of this blood-red flow lies hidden beneath the Taylor Glacier, trapped within a subterranean lake, untouched by sunlight for millennia, preserving its ancient secrets. As water from this subglacial lake seeps through cracks in the glacier and comes into contact with the oxygen-rich air, the iron within it oxidizes, turning a vibrant shade of red, much like rust. This iron-rich water then cascades down the glacier's face, creating the illusion of a bleeding glacier, a sight both unsettling and strangely beautiful, capturing the imagination of all who witness it. Now let us venture beyond the familiar confines of our own planet and journey to the outer reaches of our solar system, where gas giants reign supreme. On planets like Saturn and Jupiter, it is believed that the heavens open up to unleash a shower of unimaginable brilliance, a rain of diamonds. This phenomenon is not just a figment of science fiction. Deep within the hearts of these gas giants, where pressure and temperature soar to unimaginable levels, carbon undergoes a dramatic transformation. Under these extreme conditions, carbon atoms bond together, forming a crystalline structure, a structure that we on Earth know as diamond. These diamonds then fall through the atmosphere. Imagine, if you will, a sky not filled with water droplets, but with a cascade of sparkling diamonds, each one reflecting the light in a dazzling display, a sight that would make even the most extravagant terrestrial jewelers green with envy. Such a spectacle reminds us of the incredible and diverse wonders that our universe holds. Now let's return to a more familiar sight, one that evokes feelings of childhood wonder and wintry landscapes, the gentle fall of snowflakes. We often associate snow with the color white, a symbol of purity and tranquility. But what if I told you that this perception, as common as it may be, is actually a clever illusion? The truth, you see, is far more fascinating. Snow in its purest form is not white at all, but rather translucent. The secret to snow's white appearance lies not in its inherent color, but in the way it interacts with light. Wind, an invisible force that shapes our world, can be both a gentle breeze and a raging tempest. The fastest wind speed ever recorded on Earth, a record that still stands today, was a staggering 253 miles per hour. This record-breaking gust was unleashed during a devastating tornado that ripped through Oklahoma City in 1999. To put this incredible speed into perspective, consider this. The fastest Formula One cars can barely surpass 230 miles per hour. The sheer destructive power of such winds is difficult to comprehend, capable of tearing buildings from their foundations and turning everyday objects into deadly projectiles. When we think of the Sahara Desert, images of scorching sun, endless sand dunes, and relentless heat immediately spring to mind. But even in this seemingly desolate and unchanging landscape, nature has a way of defying our expectations. In 2018, a sight that seemed to defy all logic unfolded across the Sahara Desert, snow blanketing the sand dunes in a pristine white embrace. The sight of snow-covered sand dunes, a juxtaposition so surreal it seemed almost otherworldly, captured the imagination of people around the globe. This unusual event, while short-lived, served as a stark reminder that even the most predictable environments can produce spectacles that challenge our preconceived notions. Clouds, those fluffy white masses that drift effortlessly across the sky, often evoke a sense of lightness and tranquility. But beneath their deceptively airy appearance lies a surprising truth. Clouds are heavy, astonishingly heavy. The average cumulus cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. That's equivalent to the weight of about 100 adult elephants, all suspended high above our heads. These droplets are so small that they are easily suspended in the air by even the slightest updraft. Tornadoes, those violent rotating columns of air that descend from storm clouds, are a force of nature that inspires both awe and terror. But what if I told you that some tornadoes are even more terrifying because they are invisible? Invisible tornadoes, as their name suggests, are tornadoes that lack the telltale funnel cloud that we typically associate with these storms. Instead of a clearly defined vortex, these stealthy twisters appear as a swirling mass of dust and debris at ground level, making them extremely difficult to spot until it's too late. Without a visible funnel to warn of their approach, invisible tornadoes pose a significant threat, especially in areas prone to tornadoes. In the polar regions of our planet, the sky often erupts in a dazzling display of color and light, a celestial ballet that has captivated skywatchers for centuries, the aurora borealis, or northern lights, in the northern hemisphere, and the aurora australis, or southern lights, in the southern hemisphere. These ethereal displays, often described as curtains of light, shimmering arcs, or dancing spirits, are a testament to the interconnectedness of our planet and the sun. Auroras occur when charged particles from the sun, carried by the solar wind, collide with atoms in Earth's atmosphere. These collisions excite the atoms, causing them to release energy in the form of light. Imagine standing beneath a sky ablaze with shimmering curtains of green, red, and blue, constantly shifting and changing, as if some celestial artist were painting the heavens with light. These natural light shows are not just beautiful, they are also a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. The colors and patterns of the auroras can vary depending on the types of gases in the atmosphere and the altitude at which the collisions occur. Oxygen can produce green and red lights, while nitrogen can create blue and purple hues. Each aurora event is unique, making every viewing experience a special moment in time. From raining fish to diamond showers on distant planets, we've journeyed through a whirlwind of weather wonders, uncovering the science and stories behind these fascinating phenomena. Which of these weather wonders left you most amazed? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible journeys into the natural world. Thanks for watching. And remember, there's no such thing as bad weather, just awesome facts waiting to be discovered.